Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a review of multi-digit addition. Our first example problem is 41,000 plus 27,942. I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So with addition, we always start with the digits all the way to the right. We always start in the ones place. So we are going to start out by adding 0 plus 2. So 0 plus 2 equals 2. We do not need to regroup there because our sum is less than 10. If our sum is 9 or less, regrouping is not needed. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 0 plus 9 equals 9. 1 plus 7 equals 8. And 4 plus 2 equals 6. And we have our final answer. 41,000 plus 27,942 equals 68,942. So no regrouping was needed for our first example problem. The second example problem, though, will probably need regrouping. So moving on to example problem number 2. This one will need regrouping. Remember, we regroup. For addition, we regroup whenever there is a sum of 10 or more. So 51,195 plus 23,045. So for this problem, we need to regroup in the ones place and the tens place. Shout out to the person that just tunes in and the person that just hit the like button. I appreciate you and I am glad you're here. So we are starting in the ones place. So we are going to start out by adding 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. The 0 and 10 goes in the ones place. The 1 and 10 gets carried over to the tens place. Nine plus 4 equals 13 plus 1. 9 plus 4 equals 13 plus 1 equals 14. So the 4 and 14 goes in the tens place. The 1 and 14 gets carried over to the hundreds place. One plus 1 equals 2 plus 0 equals 2. 1 plus 3 equals 4. We do not need to regroup in the thousands place because our sum is less than 10. 9 or less, no regrouping is needed. 5 plus 2 equals 7. And we have our final answer, 51,195 plus 23,045 equals 74,240. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Again, I appreciate you being here. We are moving on to example number 3. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. It's the Mr. C. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. 1 plus 0 equals 1. Not sure where you saw that. 1 plus 0 equals 1. Alright, next example problem. 52,345 plus 28,941. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. We do not need to regroup in the ones or the tens place because our sum is less than 10. 3 plus 9 equals 12. 2 carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3, plus 8 equals 11. 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6, plus 2 equals 8. And we have our final answer, 52,345 plus 28,941 equals 81,286. Somebody said do harder. I mean, this is a multi-digit edition with a regrouping live stream, so I mean, we are staying on topic, but I'll do my next example will be a problem where everything is regrouped. How about that? That'll make it a little harder. All right. All right, 75,948 plus 78,969. All right. 8 plus, and we always start in the ones place, so we are starting with 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 equals 17. 7, carry the 1. 4 plus 6 equals 10. We have to add the 1 that we carried over. 10 plus 1 equals 11. 1, carry the 1. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Plus 1 equals 19. 9, carry the 1. 5 plus 8 equals 13, plus 1 equals 14. 4, carry the 1. 7 plus 7 equals 14, plus 1 equals 15. And we now have our final answer. The 75,948 plus 78,969 equals 154,917. Why am I teaching third grade math? Because I teach third graders. My grades are, the grades that I teach when I'm a teacher during the school year are 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Powers of 10, I'll tell you what, I will make that another live stream. I will do a live stream on powers of 10. I will do that. That will be in my future. Alright, we're going to do one more example problem, and then we are going to call it a video. We'll do at least one more example problem, and then we'll see how it is. Alright, next example problem. 49,431 plus 29,709. Alright, so we are starting in the ones place. 1 plus 9 equals 10. The 0 and 10 goes in the ones place. The 1 and 10 gets carried over to the tens place. 3 plus 0 equals 3, and we have to add the 1 that we carried over. We can't forget that. So that 1 that we carried over makes it 4 in the tens place. No need to regroup further there because our sum is less than 10. 4 plus 7 equals 11. 1, carry the 1. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Plus 1 equals 19. 9, carry the 1. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Plus 1 equals 7. And we have our final answer. 49,431 plus 29,709 equals 79,140. Shout out to the person that just put the correct answer in the chat. Alright, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, and this is the Mr. Camilleri Show YouTube channel. And I am signing off. It's the Mr. Camilleri Show. It's the Mr. C. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. Oh. Shout out to Mr. C.